Hello, this is Russell from Unicoder Academy. Today I'm gonna talk about insert. Actually, how many options and how many tools are including they are insert. Now we're going to learn it. Before video was a home about the home, and now today I'm recording insert. Okay, so I can't talk anymore here, and I'm going to directly Microsoft Word documents file. Okay, now let's go. Okay, you can see this is the insert option, and the insert option under a lot of tools there. Now part by part we are going to learn actually what kind of tools, what is purpose we are use in the work section or in the work area. For example, you doing a good job and a good organization, and there you work with very comfortably. So if you don't have any mistake, or if you don't know any tools actually what does these tools, and I'm pretty sure you getting a lot of trouble. That's all I'm going to clear to you actually all the tool actually where and when we are used. Okay, so fast tools, you can see this is the cover page. Sometimes it's need, and it's you can get escapes, but it's actually need for you. Okay, this is the cover. Okay, the pretty good cover later, and after you can start the writing here, and this is also cover. So now I'm going to type here Unicoder Academy, and now we are going to subtitle. This is a good mm, later. Okay, and you can add your school and add your course title, and then you start the writing here. Okay, now you can see this is the blank page. If you want to blank page and more, okay, you can see there is, you can see two pages. Now if you take another page, just you click here, this is the another page is come here. Okay, and now you can see this is the page break. Okay, just this is the page break. What does actually these tools? Let's see. These are actually we are getting another page. Okay, so now we are going to table option, and you can see this is the table tools. So what does actually these tools? You know the tables actually what does. Okay, the table is very important tools when you make your salary sheet or make your any table related any um, mm, uh, content, anything. So okay, uh, so that time you use this table. Okay, and you take a table two way. One way is here. Okay, is the manual actually, you can see reality, and another way is insert a table actually. How much you need a column? mm, is the five column, six column, and how much do you need a row? Row is definitely three. Okay, now okay, then you can see this is the table. Okay, and I type here Unicoder. Okay, you look carefully. I'm going to teach you another. It's actually interesting, and it's actually amazing tricks. You just copy it, Control C, and select this box, and just Control V, paste. Okay, it's very easily I paste all the box, just on click. Okay, and now you can see the table under the another option is the table style. Actually you can do you can give a table style. Okay, this is the table style option is already default. It's stay always default, and you can style from here. Okay, you can see there is a lot of table option here. You can take any, and you can take any style. Okay, so now give this table style. Okay, and the next tools is shading. Okay, you can give anything, any particularly box. You can give here any particularly box. Okay, and the next option is border style. Okay, table border style. I'm going to give this style. Okay, like this you use this option. Okay, and this is a lot of option here. All the option is the border. Okay, and if you want to paint, okay, you can do. Okay, and the paint color is this one. Okay, you can, and this is the border option. Here you can see before video. Actually, what does this border option is manually you give the border option. All border are outside border or inside border. Okay, and this is the border pointer. Okay, and the another option is layout, is the table of layout. Okay, and now let's see actually, what does this option table. Okay, it's the select and view guide and properties is table from this option, but it's not necessary. It's very necessary, and is the draw the table and eraser the table. Okay, now let's going to do. I has created table, and now I'm going to erase this table. Okay, so I'm now do that. Okay, you can see these are a row and column group. Actually, what does row and column group? We are going to know. So this is the delete cell. Okay, delete cell. Oh, the cell is deleted. Okay, now Control Z and delete the column. Okay, oh, you can see the column is delete. Control Z. Okay, then delete a row. Oh, the row is deleted. Okay, and the next option is where it is. Okay, and you can see the delete table. All the table is going to delete. Okay, you can see the table is deleted. Okay, and you can see this is insert above a new row, and this option is insert below row. Okay, now, and the another option is insert a column. Actually is the left column, and this is the insert a right column. Okay, the left and right two column is here. Okay, and these are match a cell, select and match a cell. Okay, so is the three cell this now the on cell. Okay, and is the spelled the cell here. How many cell you want? Just here you split this number of 4, and this the on. Okay, so you can see that the 4 box we are getting. Okay, and this is the spell table. Okay, so you can see this is the spell the table, and these are auto fit. Okay, actually what does auto fit? Now let's see. Okay, you can remove space, and you can remove our gap. Okay, so just you click here auto fit. Okay, auto fit uh, content. Okay, you can see the content auto fit, and the another option is increase row and increase row and decrease, increase row and decrease row. Okay, increase row and decrease row. Okay, increase and decrease row, and these option are increase column and decrease column. Okay, increase and decrease both option is here, and these are distribute row. Okay, these are what distribute row and distribute column. Okay, so no need, and these are very important option and very important tools. Just you can center all your content. Okay, you can see the center or the content, and it's a horizontally center and vertical center. So these are left and these are center and these are right. Okay, and it's middle center. Okay, is the two is the both of middle center, align center to right. Okay, and middle and left. Okay, and these are start below. Okay, so no need for, we are always use these options. Okay, these are cell merge. Okay, on. Okay, okay, and these options are sort is up to down, and these are convert to text. Now I am going to convert to text this table. Okay, now we are going to convert this text. Okay, tables. So you can see this is the text just only. And another option is formula. You can do here many things: average, count, and different, maximum and minimum and mode, or and so you may you do many things. Okay, and these are option here, sum and sum. Okay, now let know how to do sum. Now I want to total here is the sum. Okay, so you can see this is the formula of sum above the line. Okay, okay, this is the sum. Okay, today is enough for recording the video. We are understand table design and the layout, and the insert option is there is you see a lot of option, and I can record anymore because I have work another. So I record the video and another video for these tools. Okay, if you stay on your house along, and you can do practice more and more what I say and what kind of tools I show you and I teach you. Okay,